Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, we are going to see how we can download eBay application on our mobile phone. So let's get started. First, we need to go to Google Play Store. On the home page of the Play Store, we can see search bar. There, type eBay and click on search. Now, as we can see eBay, the shopping marketplace, click on this blue button that says install. While our app is installing, let's know more about eBay. eBay is an American multinational e-commerce company that caters customer to customer and retail sales through online marketplaces. It is used by individuals, companies, as well as governments to purchase and sell almost any legal and non-controversial items. Here, our app is on the verge of installation. And now, as you can see, our app is successfully installed. And this is how you can download and install eBay on your mobile phone. Thanks for watching.